Okay, I ran out of time. 15 minutes is all I got. I didn't even know I was talking for 15 minutes. Okay, but your assignment, let's just do this really quick and I'll be done, I promise. Your assignment for today and tomorrow is posted in Google Classroom. Okay, and it looks like this: research project sources and fact pages. Okay, put in your topic again, just remind me what that is. Okay, your first source, if you found a world book, okay, source, that should be your first one. Okay, type that in, and then 6 of the best facts from that source. Okay, from that one. Remember, you want to read and then summarize, or read and then retell, either at this step or when we go to put things into our Google Slides. Okay. Then you're going to go to source number 2, okay, which we found. If it was achieve, you would put achieve in there in the title of your article. Or if it was from, say, National Geographic, okay, you would stick that in there. Go over and, let's see if I can get out of this. Oh, I don't want this. Copy your web link, okay, and then paste it into your paper so that you have that for reference. Find the 6 best sources or the best facts that you would want to include in your project here. Okay, and then source number 3, which is probably just an online, a web source, but it's reliable. Okay, you would stick in and then find your 6 best facts from that one. Okay, so that's today and tomorrow's assignment. Okay, is to find 3 sources and to get 6 of the best facts from each one. Okay, if you have any questions, please email me, or we can set up a Google Meet and review any of this information. Okay, try to have fun with it. I know it would be a lot more fun if we were doing it together in class, but that's okay. And so learn something. All right, okay.